Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add clock widget in Windows 11 or Windows 10. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and click on the start button on your Windows and then click on Microsoft Store, or better still, search for Microsoft Store. If Microsoft Store is missing from the options, then once you launch Microsoft Store, go ahead and search for Widget Launcher. So this particular Windows software or application is called Widget Launcher. So go ahead and search for Widget Launcher. Once you search for Widget Launcher, the next thing you want to do is you want to select this particular Widget Launcher. This one I installed, this particular Widget Launcher. Then click on the Get button to download and install the Widget Launcher on your Windows 11. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on Open. This is going to open the Widget Launcher on your PC. So go ahead. This is how the Widget Launcher looks. You have the home, the skin, the extension, the features. So in this case, just make sure you are on the home. And on the home, come to where you say digital clock and then select it. Here you'll be able to customize the digital clock. Then click on skin, can change the screen from light skin to dark skin. You can also customize the background, the border, accent, and font color. You can also adjust the transparency. After that, just go ahead and click on Launch Widget. Once you click on Launch Widget, just hang on a couple of seconds. Then you should see the widget launched. This is the widget. Now you can now go ahead and minimize this or close it. Then you see this particular clock widget on the screen. You can now drag and drop it whatever you want to drag the clock widget on the screen, and then you are good. So if you go ahead and close all of this, it's not going to affect this. Even when you restart your Windows 11, the clock widget is still going to be on the screen. So that is basically how to add clock widget in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.